Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started. Click on Financial Management and then click on Financial. Go to Process. Then go to Bill Payment and Receipt. Click on Invoice Receipt. A sales invoice is an accounting document sent by a provider of goods, services, to a purchaser. It records services rendered, items provided, the amount owed by the customer. Select currency. Select bank name. Write narrations. Select customer. Double-click on Receive Now. Click on Save Invoice Receipt. Click Save and Index to finalize your sale receipt.